A multitude of countries in the 21st century faced with a great problem that their students were not engaged in education at all. For example, in Sweden, UK and Uzbekistan, it was a widespread phenomenon. What was the reason? Well, paradoxically, access to the internet. Many people, students, found internet things more interesting and engaging in comparison to the school system that we have currently. It was a big problem. And now this trend is gaining even more power within access to AI technologies. How can we stop it? Because otherwise we will end up in an absolutely uneducated society in 10 years. Well, one way would be to give proper instructions for teachers to guide their students so that the teachers could immediately see if the student is interested or not. The teachers could immediately track how to change their program and adopt it for each student. It would be a personalized education at nearly free cost. How would it be possible? Well, we could end up with building an AI technology for this. In fact, it's not hard at all. You even use it every day. What it does is just taking a few snapshots of you, just like when you want to open your phone, and then it analyzes how your emotions are changing on your face. By this, one can really understand what you are thinking about, what your brain is puzzled with. And if teacher could see immediately that you are not interested, the teacher would just switch to another topic right away. It would be a groundbreaking solution. But what do professionals think about? We wanted to know how applicable the technology is. So we interviewed the advisor to the Minister of Education of Uzbekistan, Professor Michel Gatti, on possible risks of it and use in the classroom by teachers and professors.
But really, I liked the overall premise of the idea is being able to use the aspects of AI to be able to drive instruction. It's really a unique approach of using the technology that we already have, which is to be able to sense facial expressions and the difference in those to a very high degree and apply it to a novel situation. That's what innovation's all about. I think as a professor, I would like the opportunity to use a feature like this to be able to drive my own instruction and to reflect on my own practice. Are my students interested? Are they disengaged? Do they feel frustration with the content? And let me reflect on my practice. However, I would definitely want to see this anonymized because I feel that the idea of collecting personal data and using that could lead to privacy issues and could lead to malpractice or misuse of private data, and your facial expression is private data. So I think overall the approach is good, and with the limits and filters to protect the individual and be able to use this as aggregate data, I think it has promise in education.
In the first video, our user is watching a cartoon, and after it she feels very excited, so the app will show really positive results. But in the second one, she's watching a horror movie, so afterwards she has really negative feelings. The app will show that she is stressed. Analogously would happen with the students in the classroom. 2023, we participated in Digital Generation program. As a part of it, we interviewed over 40 experts in the field of education, and later on we were selected as finalists by the First Lady of Uzbekistan. Also, in September, we were selected to the Startup Acceleration program by the Korean Ministry of Education. During the program, we learned about financial model and how to structure your idea better. Also, this month we are going to South Korea for a Samsung exchange program. Our future plans include integration of this technology on YouTube Kids platform so that children could start learning according to their interests from a very early age. Also, after research, we decided to include this technology in the Instagram because youngsters spend most of their time using social media. They could also learn at the same time. Because of this, we want to apply to mGov award. It would allow us to see the world broader and give us a huge network to reach out to companies as Google and Meta. Also, we would use the prize of mGov award to build data centers right here in Asia to explore the future of education. Thank you.